babe. We lit. We lit. And that's all I gotta say. All right, please subscribe. I'm at 79, so let's get it to like 100. I feel like I can get to 100. What y'all think? By the end of January, I feel like I could get to 100. I really do. I think we get to 100. What y'all think? I think we can. Y'all got me. So we're definitely going to get into how I achieve this look. Most of the products are going to be drugstore products. I might have like 1 or 2 high end, but I'll be able to give you like the dupe for it, meaning the same or similar thing product that you can get from Ulta, Target, Walmart. So first, you always want to go in with a clean base. Face moisturized, clean. I moisturize my face with the Pond's moisturizing cream. It's really cheap. It's about $8-9 from Walmart or Target. And that's what I always use. Not even just when I'm doing makeup. I use it when I wash my face, and that's my moisturizer that I use all the time. After I moisturize, I'll go in with my primer. I like to use the Hydro Grip Primer by Makeup. This is on the pricey side, so I know that a dupe, e.l.f. has a dupe, and it's called Jellypop that you can use, and it's supposed to be the same consistency. I think I'm gonna try that one to see if that's true. I know a lot of people on like TikTok and Instagram say it's the same consistency, so if you want to get something like a little cheaper, then I would definitely go and get the e.l.f. brand. After I moisturize, prime, then I first go in with my eyebrow. So when the eyebrow is done, this is what it'll look like. So I make my eyebrow a little bit larger than what my eyebrow is, just so I have some room, like if I mess up or if I need to put like extra concealer, I can do that and it won't mess up my eyebrow. So as you can see, my eyebrow is not this fluffy at all. So once I put the concealer under it, it'll just give me some space for error if something gets messed up. But if you know me, I will wipe my eyebrows off and I will do it all over again. But this is how it should come out. So I just concealed it with the LA Girl, the Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. I'll show you guys how to do the other one. So after eyebrows, I wouldn't do the top of my eyebrows because my foundation, I put foundation right there instead of carving out the whole eyebrow, just for an everyday look. If I was doing my makeup like full blown, full glam, I would carve out the top and the bottom with concealer. But for this look, I would just do the bottom and then just leave the top for foundation. These are the places that I conceal: under my eye, my nose, right here in the center of my forehead, and then right down here on my chin. After I put on my concealer, I like to go in with just like a brush that's kind of like flat like this, just to smooth it out. I let it sit for like 2 to 3 minutes so it can get dry, and then it'll give me a full coverage under my eye. So that's what I'm going to do next. So once your concealer is blended to your liking, you're gonna go in with a setting powder. So the setting powder I'm gonna use is Sasha Buttercup, because she's that girl. Don't sleep on her. Like me, I was sleeping on her. She is very much that girl. I have a bunch, but Sasha Buttercup is probably my favorite out of all the expensive, and I mean expensive, powders that I have, that I just had to have at some point. So I have Miss Sasha here. I'm just gonna set it under my eyes. I'm not gonna bake. I'm just gonna set it under my eyes. So you're gonna take a damp beauty blender, dab it in, press it in. I'm gonna press it in. I'm not gonna let it sit there. That's baking. I'm going to press it in under my eye. So next I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, It's my Juvias Place bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's not expensive. I paid maybe like $16 for it. It's worth it. But if you go, so I got this from Ulta, but if you go on the site, they're always having a sale. So right now, they're probably having a Christmas sale, end of the year sale, and I'm sure you get it for cheaper. So I would suggest you go online. Last, I went in with my NYX. This is Milky Gloss, and almost dropped it. The shade is Milky Pink. I'm gonna spray one last time. Okay, so this is my final look. This is my final look. We love her. She's perfect. Get into it. I didn't put any highlighter on. I just feel like it's too much, so I'm just gonna, I'll put all the details below about, the products that I use. I'll try to get the like an accurate price range for you, and that's it. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.